In response to the contingency caused by COVID-19, we developed an action plan with the health and safety specialist of our shipyard, with the aim of protecting our clients and workforce. Implementing filter and sanitary control, respect for safe distancing, rigorous sanitation and cleaning, installation of physical barriers, frequent personnel monitoring, redesigning of administrative and operational processes, updating the use of personal protective gear. This not only to help prevent accidents, but also to prevent any type of contagion. Despite the nature of our sector, we have managed to adapt to the new conditions that COVID-19 brought along, as we continue to seek the best solutions through creativity and passion for our work. At TNG, we all take care of ourselves,